This is a 2013 Chevy Equinox, and we are replacing the heater blower motor. The heater blower motor is located below the glove box right here. First thing we have to do is to remove this panel underneath the glove box. It's held on by 3 7mm headed screws. There is one right here. And then there's one right there. And then the third one is right over there. Right over here. That one right there. So we're going to remove those screws now. Here is the last screw. Now, there should be nothing holding this panel in now, except a wire to the courtesy light right down here. On that connector for the light, there's a little lock right here. Push that. Now we can remove the cover. Okay, we got to remove our electrical connector from the motor. Right here. And there is a connection right here that holds the wire on, like that. Now all our wires are removed from the motor. Now the motor is held in by 3 1/4-inch head screws. There's one way back here. This is the tough one. We're limited for space against the floor. Alright, that's that one. And we got one right here. And the last one is right here. And we got to be careful once we take that screw out that the motor doesn't come down on us. Okay. There it is. There's our blow motor all out. Now to replace the motor, we'll reverse our steps from here. We'll start with the screw closest to us right here. That way we can hold the motor up with one hand and then screw it. See, one screw is in, so that's all we need to hold the motor in place. The farthest screw away is going to be the toughest one. This one right here if you can't get it with your nut driver, you might have to use a small ratchet. Now let's hook our wire back in here, like that. Now for the electrical connector. Okay, there we go. Motor's all back in place. Next thing we have to do is put this bottom cover back in position. If you have a light connected on yours, you want to connect the light back in. That one's all tight. Now we got one over here. Alright, this one back here is a little hard to see. Okay, there it is. We started it. Okay, it's all tight. So everything is back in place. And that's it. So that's all there is to replacing your heater blower motor on your Chevy Equinox.